Good morning from Kamakura, Japan, on a rainy Thursday. But I'm not going to let the rain stop me. I've got work to do. So this is how I roll on a rainy day. Just have a clear umbrella ready, my hat on, and I'm ready to go. Let me turn you around so you can see what's going on here in the garden. First up, the yellow trumpet bush, looking really good. Yeah, I was worried yesterday about the flowers maybe coming to an end, but that's all right. Everything in season, everything in its time. Okay, the herb tower, looking great. I was thinking I may cut some of these herbs here and dehydrate them and have them ready for the kitchen, for use in the kitchen. You can see this one here. This is getting pretty long. This overwintered. So I can cut that about half and dehydrate that, and the rest, the top here, the top portion, I'll leave. So I may do that today on this rainy day. You can see the growth of the curly parsley. It's doing well. Let's come around and take a look at the flat leaf parsley. It's doing well too. Yeah, this here is more cilantro, judging by the leaves. Looks just like that, so yeah, we'll see. Ajisai, or hydrangea, they're beginning to flower there. A bit early yet. Okay, how are we doing with the strawberries? Well, that looks pretty good. Any more? Yeah, I'm going to pull this one. So, yeah, that's pretty good. Not the prettiest, but it'll taste good. Okay. What else do we have? Oh, we've got some down here. I'm going to pull these as well. So as you can see, there's still work to do in the rain. I'll let them be for a while. Right over here. That's fine. I'll leave those for a day or so. Any more? Any more hiding from me? So here's our strawberry haul. 5 of them. That'll be a nice addition to what I already have in the fridge, store-bought. Very cool morning, 19 degrees. Cool and wet. And there's Sparky. Of course, he's not coming out. He doesn't like the rain. Do you, Sparky? Good morning. And here's the day after the rose bush trimming. Took you on a journey down Primrose Lane. Hope you like that pun. So, should be getting some good growth later on this year and into next year. And the tomatoes. How are these string beans doing? Good, good. This is what I want to see. And this especially. See how this is coming through, wrapping around. The tendrils are reaching around the netting. That's exactly what I want. Looks good. I trained these yesterday. This one, that one over there. You can see already how they're growing just the way I want them to. And this one down here. Okay, I'll leave that be. Very good. The zucchini are looking strong, enjoying their new home here. And a little closer. See, this one here is really doing well. There's this one, starting to branch out. Getting its true leaves. And the cucumbers, growing very well. Let's see if I can give you a better perspective here of how well they're growing upward. Doing very well. So here you can see the inner and outer rows of the tomatoes. Wanted to show you the new growth on the papaya here. It's doing well. These branches and leaves will fall off soon. You can see the spores. Oh, there's a little ant on there. Where'd he go? There he is. You see that little ant there? I don't know if he's feeding on these spores or not, but yeah, those little bumps you see there, those are spores. also on the leaves. Oh, hey, Sparky. Can you come outside? No. Okay. All right. Actually, I've come inside to put my boots on. I'm going to take a walk down to the lower garden. See what's happening there. I wear an extra pair of socks when I put my boots on, just for comfort. Okay, let's go. I think I'll leave the umbrella here. It's too much noise. So my hat should keep my head dry anyway, and my sambue will keep me from getting totally soaked. And it'll dry out quickly. So let's go. Okay, first up, the blueberry patch. Okay. A little bit of fruit there, but mostly no fruit. I think you can see how this one's getting huge. And this was the one that was transplanted. I've had this for a number of years, and it's doing much better down here instead of in that container that I had up above. Growing very well. And this I bought this year. That's doing well too. Yeah, very good. Okay. I just noticed there are actually 2 volunteer tomato plants here. Can you see them? Yep. So they look pretty strong. Perfect place too. I'll let them grow up the railing here. And then I can attach them to the railing. Same with this one over here. Then we'll attach to the railing here. So how we're doing over here? This looks good. Good. Well, I may have lost one over here, but that's okay, because I still have this one and this one. You see, this one's getting huge. You can see this one's getting pretty big and pretty strong. Nice surprise. Peppers looking well, growing strong. Maybe next week I'll tie them up. Don't need to do it just yet. Let them get strong on their own. Okay, the eggplant, strong. Here too. And a third right there. Pretty good. See, this cucumber is spreading out a bit. That's all right for now. Oh wow, we have a fruit, a rather large fruit. Look at that. That's nice to see. Wow, look at that. Sometimes it's hard to see these things because the colors are so similar. They blend in. Another view of the rose bush. So, another rainy day. And we're about to officially enter the rainy season in a week or so. Sage is coming along nicely. Still flowering too. Hey, what are you doing? Little pee-pee? Okay, we have a hibiscus flowering. It's pretty. Look. This beautiful color. Okay, now with the light on, I can see there's another one here behind it that will bloom probably next week. And over on this one here, it's getting ready to bloom again next week. And this one down here probably sometime next month. Oh, wait a minute. Next week is next month. Time flies, huh? June already. And the 4 avocado plants are thriving well. I guess I could lose this leaf here. This is no longer necessary. Okay. This one is doing okay too. It's recovering from being outside in the spring a little bit too early. That'll be fine. Later this summer, you'll see a lot more growth from this. And this has come a long way. It was just a tiny little clipping that I found lying on the ground while taking a walk a couple months ago. So I put it in water, let it root, and then I replanted it here. And it's doing quite well. It's about 5 times the size it was when I first found it. Oh, and while I'm thinking of it, let me show you this. Here is a Hydrangea outside my kitchen window. And that's looking beautiful. I don't know if you can see from there, but some of the blossoms are bluish and some are green. On a not so rainy day, I'll go outside and give you a close-up look. Well, this is the treat I get every summer from my kitchen window. This is some of the mint that I collected yesterday. I have it soaking in a bowl to keep it fresh. So, Spunky, where are you? Oh, there you are. Let's go outside. Go upstairs. Go upstairs. Go upstairs. Go upstairs. Go upstairs. Go. So you want to go outside? Let's go. Let's go. 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 Go pee pee. Go pee pee. He doesn't like the rain, but he knows he's got to go. Down. Good boy. Need to clean you up. Let's go upstairs. Go. Let's go. Go upstairs. Go upstairs. Go. I have to go up and dry off myself.